Erebusia for ye mamo akwaba na afa ye de fe to so miensa anase de atwa to okra no ye de bremu ani esi nkonwa na ensema hodo a abankrata ni mu de edi ahimni adancheche na ebu mfompa no ye adwendwen ho na ya bobo ho sempani se nyansa sabi etise kwaya no menti ba kofotim tie nyina ye adwendwen ho a ye di ho nkomo no na ye de aboa adi achechire oman nti ye ba ne aba be ye oman yo ensem ye your mind no ho asem tebeye amanyosem meantime no happy birthday enko ma Mrs. Solis Nana Dinse, CEO of Ivanes Collection Dansoman enti auntie Nana na ye wawoda happy birthday to you if you akosia sapon and a belated birthday enko Madam Regina Ofori or La Paz New Market wase Michael enene yue Christabel se o senya mishira ye die nkoso ne prompomye ede emma na me producer Prince Obimpe say me papa Mr. Moses Mixing Obimpe Mr. Moses Mixing Obimpe ene eye wawoda esan Central Coffee nti ma me wesa Prince Brofo no na what say die odoba kacho or say dad you were there for me from day one I was born, always having my best interest in mind. You are my best friend and one of the most important people in my life. I love you and God bless you. So, Mr. Mixing Obimpe, from your dear son, Prince Obimpe, producer Adekye Nsroma, to you, God bless you, increase you, make you great. And then from his wife, her own family, from his wife, Sister Ajoa, Mrs. Obimpe, they say they love you so much. And then someone kratano ede aba aye babedi ho enkomo enie na ene say enra wote ye nedie ama ye nyina ye kankran wokpene yempene demo wakpene demo na ebra wakpene demo no hihye so no na University of Ghana for Political Science Department so aye won survey o ye last year ya echese Ghana for dodo na hamuchemu be se aduosia nan echiripon kono ese wonum epe voters register for ama wobubu mu krase wo komantam ni nyina emu baby a wokoye ene said obi se omanfo ni omo kaye wo de breakdown ni nyina aba enti yemfa ntoto enra de mono eho ye beka no seni wo de mono ase kranso ye so ra Nilant Vanderpool ka se yisi enti o masem na ne Ghana ni bia ntwo ni di how sesen amenu so aya asem a eno so geminas opani pa se wo na ontwo wo dia oye den ekasanti enura de monase ni de esi ye ni mu bibia no near the Atuto University of Ghana Political Science Department wo survey no aba beto dwa eho sa nura krona so Peace Council ejina mu se wo pese asomdwe eba e wo aba ye beto no December ni mu no eho enti wonum aye code of conduct ya wonum a wo mu ye tu ahene ni asi hene wo ka bie wo mu a wo pepa wo abato ni mu no menu ye wo bi wo mu die na nso ebinum die wo mu pa so die kese eda wonum eso nti won chefa wo mu no eso ya wonum en wo kan stakeholders no wonum enfon sanhye enti asenkrata ase anofon sanhye boase se wo behwe se asomdwe beba wanu ho no MPP sanye NDC said that one sign eja Alexagbefia okogina mu ma NDC say abantem dodo aso mu tuma mpomika enti brofo kan ne say eye premature sene senho afi wo mu kra san se ye namba nu kosi dwanam koso a eye den na ebinya bi na ebinya bi enti se ye na makuru no be se aduonu eni akire eni ye de ense kwhya ase na ya gepene eni ye de sa code of conduct iba eni obi amfa ne san hyase enkoba se ebi de wonsa be hyase ebi mfa wonsa enhyase eno so ya asem na afi galamse yesi wa won kobra wuo no wo so mpafenam ya wochemu kra se yesesi ayenka se suspended first vice ya Eyora Horace eko awusi wo se ya kire no ya nenkrata no de aba ebinum so kra ne nam keka bede yesi ake ye kan wokpa na yi de menka ake se ye nura no kra wo ma se aman bed ba ni nyina mu no enipa nsia ebi o no ne nkrata ne de aba se wo mu de yadoa wo mbeka ya na wo twetwa mu no prof kwabra frimpon ana prof frimpon no wokoka se yade a ebi mo wo mu echichi excavators ni bie no ayira na ko say prof pa ayira efa ahe na ne wo na wo hwa so nti kire ba bia wo ene ehu nsem ti enu hu no na ba beto dwa se wo pani ye ko awusi ya wo ye former and suspended first vice chair Emma MP for Central Region. Wonu kra waka galamsey fo bi e friend galam stop tax force ho. Wonu wotosun wom ye gigi sika bi a chese excavators na ye seize no na ukohunu a onu so wona gang yo se ne squad yo se ne cartel woni wo mo ye tu ko hu wo mo utua kakra mo wo pe na fe wo mo release wo excavators no enti se prof kan ya na wodi eka ya ni nyina mo ne wache enipa nsia wo fa daily graphic any Ghanaian Times a ebo ani mo pa enti ne nsemi miensa na ye baba bebobo ho ewura no mu a anopai se ne wo mo ba be sinkonwa no se wa hye ne so sesi ade chenshwa bibia ye reloaded enti nkonwa no aye miensa enti wo pani a wote mensa benkum so pe no ewura yaw asani tanom we a political activist nani age amanyosem ye yo man no enti wono no wo gira ba bia de for man hu bia e be mo man na ye no wodo na no tum ebi we ni de din kan mehia no wo hene akwa aba ye da asen so se waba pa ena de woto opani asanita no so no honorable Daniel Ochem Aboaje MP Bantama wasan kra kofa ne form a wo besia ko Bantama fo se ane wo mo amfo na che ne nto aso nti wo mra wo be mana ko enye sa na wo ka wo hene
this is it
anya me adom wo hu na wo de asie me boko
kasa de dia chew adom
mira me da se
ma kwa ya fe ni aba
oh ampa wo kwa kwama and yeah welcome to school
thank you
na una ho se de unim se parliament here den usu unim se parliament here den
oh ba ya
o kan sa
se parliament here den I just said den assembly o ba ya kan go ya nika so yishi
okay e de na man here den
parliament nya den se bia den but e was soon
okay
so go school e so sua de
yeah that's true
na ye juma
okay
na wo ye juma na wo bo my bo parliament nya nyuma nyina wo ye no ana fifo no so
okay
nti wa ya we ha na wanya mre so anya dai
an ko
tentem ti wan hwe ya na wase wo bia ante wase mase ti ya sometimes no a process a challenge a communication so you have to explain yourself
any almost kan ni so almost anti wasem na so say honorable Ochamboaji say oni say parliament said din say nkom honorable kokofu sai ko ye
that contest out of contest
out of contest
the question is parliament Bantama constituency yeah big
okay
very very big everybody knows it
okay
you are the most popular constituency in Ghana
okay you are the Florida of Ghana
of course in 2016 election we won 89%, 88.4 to be specific.
Okay.
In a Dubai. But because do parliament means say it yechiro. Yet yechiro pa shishana according to seniority. Which are now ku
okay.
The constituency I who or say.
That's what you meant.
Plus say. Na sabi yet yechiro, you say be experience be na wa ye ka some ultimate bia. Asem papa bi ba parliament den na penifo sorry aworo nka bi
who that's you junior said the Bantama
ti tu jai ma na bokufu ko ba ko a ka ho a ka bi anko ba ko ni ma che me
okay enti ni e chese so mu jai ma wo ko bi
oh very
so
important
that ubetumi aba ni mu
yes e ba ni mu
oh some ba ni
mu kakra of course the decision of for the end
and your Bantama for penyin ayi ne ho ano honorable Eric Afo MP Amanfi West one so me first time ni opani ube ko bi mu
ami ko bi mu
na wa ba ni mu
you see my because we kakra
yes sir
oh my times no emi the pass me nua we o de me nua no me tin constituency
oh really okay
kuma se me kwa wa pata bi amese constituency ma aya me question
de kwa na nye
kwa de wa so
e ya mo na mo nyama mo
wo ye MP constituents no they have to know this
okay
o ma MP ko ba ko he men cite example bi minim MP bia na me call parliament 2016 by election and I call parliament me call na papa no na konwa e wo anim pa
okay
next to the leadership of the majority then
okay
yes san no what ya kire pa kona bi na de na kwose
okay
wo e ba sana e ma the exposure of the constituency no into me nkwanim bebre
the make an what na na ye mfie gu awadi wo ho
me koye no me call replace the late Honorable John Jetia. Na me find the currency 2016. Na me call. Me call me ko share chire pa.
Oh, okay.
But me bomb what na me sa ba biem no.
Okay.
Si amaba medal.
Okay. Nti se o san.
Na me ya do me ba. Na me ba be leader.
Okay. Interesting. Parliament here nika. Nti ejata no we mo maka parliament there. Oh, your political activist. Enra uti Trump's State of the Union address no. Oh, wow, follow. Unfortunate then you dey. Ye fan so then let's start our normal discussion. What pene demo any University of Ghana survey. Se si a Ghana for no omo wen e na de no omo ka. If it's a survey ni say Ghana for dodo no say. Nchen say Ghana for so open new voters register. What pene for you say Ghana for so omo pe voters register. Sa Ghana for no omo wen no mama ya confused sa.
But as many aba my mefa kwen so na menchia PCF for nyina and UTV for ni all other institution under Despite Group.
Yeah, that's
it. Congratulate me honorables me new year. Omo press on be sign akọ the second term or third term to ensure say on be boa Ghana ya toto amana ye. But omo some kind mono first say bia oba fufura wo hye nti say constituencies ne ma wo kwan na oba medal afen so say osuade especially honorable Ochem or can say say osuade. I remember very well say time you were fifi kwete money friends you were kujeto a block omo ye do omo ba parliament first na if you say omo yenkola omo susa enti ye bo abano at the time na chisa to the extent at a point in time no na ye criticize omo say they left the country to attend to other matters so omo go school war outside the country. And I mean it is interesting to note say honorable Ajiatum say it is very important as a parliamentarian you learn to be able to contribute meaningfully to the society. Now, maybe wasem so no Ghana for no more Ghana for any year. But you see, we have left this country for two major parties to as it were or so. Say to ama NDC ebe to ama NPP. Na se wokote say survey BAP a din kese a edaso any Department of University of Ghana Department of Science, Political Science. Na akoye wuhu say sa asoye no akoye service ndie. Nche say a very important as say the conclusion of the survey no. Bibia krojen. But because our parties me no way Ghana man so action nti no. Ghana for bebre no a e dia memremfe wo de bibia betodwa. We beka say we na mepe. We so beka say we na mepe. Nti work pene demo na omo dia betudwa no I would have loved some my statistics as has been published by Department of Political Science you know say Ghana for ahen and omo say omo mpe new voters register, but you cannot also fault them. Say ye oman a your mamuni nyina you do not leave it onto only one political party. Dear Mayhwe any say there must be we must ensure say voters register na ye wo no anye bia no eye kroji ana enye kroji regarding previous elections ayede ahold na adentin so na say enye kroji adentin na chisa. They are citing examples and say issues with regard say bia machines na ya to dada no machines no are outmoded. May share some of the easy or more reasons and challenges regarding the machines no. I feel say most of the reasons are unfounded. So you can upgrade any other machine to the specification ebia o per se we use for. And I will share work for no and I say I plan omo demo no mo ye no. Omo sem omo kai no. Omo aye analysis kakra ma ye hu say some machines no. You use no just about 81 days. Na many about so talk computer enne. Na me fa say a Pentium 5 and I say i5 whatever it is. Na what you no let's say 81 days. And I say be let's say it's a continuous way, it's no best 2 years. Now say new machines are and I say be I break it down. What you need to do is to buy the new parts and fix. Me wo your friend say Mark 2. Mark 2 now me who say hard disk na shemu no. Ya kwachiri kakra. Enti me koto a new one very light. The capacity is very strong and running very fast and so memory masesa bi BSM sesa wo matum masesa amasesi ane compliance to the system ye use sesa with regards to Mark 2 into me the reason why a Ghana might spend this car NTC the taxpayers money they are ton fidie just around 2012 2013 now within 2019 why you say ye koto machine akoto fufuro na cost analysis of mode buy nyina eno so wo hwemu a emu owerem kakra say ade a ye be akoto new ne de be upgrade no de ye be upgrade no e be cost you more than de ye koto no fine let's assume say it is the truth what we are asking is there no any possibility say information na e previous and as a machines that done so no ye betumi a transfer onto any other system and I say ya to sa we nyina gu anse ya koto foforo I find that particular submission no very hard to as it were compromise.
So we enfant to be sorry. We enfant to say ebia ukita Pentium 2, person ko Pentium 5 and now ukita i3 or person ye i5. Brea obesesa niama na ewo ho no. I beba bedu i5 no. And yes, wo de toy kra enke better. In reality, sad na insi wo marketer and na insi wo ya brabo. So obehwa ne say oh, be say me sesa me machine. Okay, wo de ma me sesa pass no keke. Afi koto we no. Wo de be hyehye ho na obenya no updated and upgraded one, modern one. Afi wo be kwa be surprised. Ebia the difference is just something small. Say then why not get a new one na me fa we insi wo.
Oh, many about it is the case say most of the time. But you can't mine taxpayer is car a war memo and ye did election who election who some we share the statistics from time where you about democracy is car you spend at the electoral commission is car you vote to a beefy manoni not no more no compare what me say the electoral commission had completely and always performed abysmally in terms of even education. Into me I feel say and yet 2019 election 2020 election is right in the corner and now would able to just say yes biometric verification
but or mama timelines any everybia as if some go ahead almost shall say April May on betray by June July yeah exhibition we acha in October parties no benya full register no amoma go through like they usually do and then 2 months time you better aba into ombe wie bibia ma parties nso aka ama so mo concerns on kro mo dia kwa mo rectify answer na 2 months aso ama ya to aba nti omo bibia well laid out
when aba uhunisa ye 2020 campaign as we speak have started political parties they don't have the time. It is an electoral commission at this particular moment.
Campaign have started illegally.
Well, take it or leave it. It has been the case
illegally.
No. It has started.
But in their calendar, campaign is
that one you cannot sit
me ba honorable. So when say omo for them no. Yes, see you can't emrasem ne ngoma asema. For them, campaign hasn't started. Have they opened campaign?
You see, I'm chair at T4.
Yes, Papa.
I'm chair my constituency for. Now I'm more NDC paying for Abaso or Mdra. The more I person Ghana, Idi na Ghana isi yempe problem biya Ghana, ma Ghana, the democracy now, the whole world will be a admiral and kosusa, we both be Abaso. The mechanic say. Legally, illegally, the campaign has started. That's the first thing.
What dodgy me question?
Me dodgy.
Campaign. Easy ngomemu. Easy ngomemu. Campaign ashasiana.
Officially ashasi.
Perfect.
But unofficially.
Campaign ashasi. Emo munyo mo ejuma.
What I say? Mami mbwana kakra. Why odu me tend but my mremo.
O the fire o tend my Jimmy diamo.
Wow.
Yo,
me knew about the American say, me know as some journey per Ghana.
Sure.
Now, what time? Nesika we are singing. Only some tria will be Ghana free Ghana. For that matter, I did there some dre ebeba Ghana ha. I will about to. I need the register. Me knew na okasa efa. Timing. Sami hu kwana okasa timing. Amen said. Sure. 2020. Register na yechro ye no. Edi na yechro ye. Your process is in
2020.
Meba.
You mean 2012?
2012.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Ye ni 2011. Edi na yechro no 2012. Your procurement in process is in That's the first point to establish. Remember, this year we are come to do 3 things at a time in 2020. And I compile names and data of this country, the populace in this country. Population and housing census. Hereby abeye. Yes, I abeye new register. Meaning about a day. When him say, naturally, as you to me housing and population census, only be the whole overview of Nipa etigana. For Mkwada, if you are Ghana, distribution of population, Nipa Senaya Bedjuma, Nipa Senaya Bedjuma. The person can be to me the second register. But my register from 18 years. To do what you're saying, that will even inform you whether to create constituencies or not. So why are we bombarding a lot of activities in election year?
But one
do you know, sir? Meba.
Every institution was a mandate. And different institutions carrying out their legal mandates.
See that? When him say easy tonable. Now I'm rushing through this new registration. Say NI your modumani via. They can give them good data. To compare more credible.
On that one, Owurase Oyejuma wo EC Deputy Director said, the data omu here any some omu bisa no. Ene de NIA bisa no ebobra. Enti senka NIA wi omo wie omo dwuma no kra. EC would have still gone ahead to do their own.
You see, in America say you move from one step to the other.
Okay.
Because say NIA ewi omojuma. Say yaye population housing census ewi ya kani Ghana ewi. It will give a very good information to Electoral Commission.
Okay.
For its operations. Melandia the madam, the can say. Why do you want to change this register?
Because
I
am obsolete.
Obsolete.
I am overstretched.
I am obsolete. I overstretched. That's the vocabulary of EC now.
Annie.
Now, what him say? I overstretched. And anka, what the best is article in the Constitution. Meba. Any stress, any pressure, so at that time, no. The same people were going to vote then. The same people.
You know, when it comes to parliamentary presidential election, Ghana for Awukeka, when we look at the voter turnout, any I don't know. Now we need to referendum, referendum election, and a difference.
Referendum to create 6 additional regions. What percentage of Mkotwaba? 95% no in Ghana.
But in selected places, not across the country.
But they say, area no, machines na ko 95% Ekotwaba. Enti another place, machines na be ko 95% Ekotwaba. So what is the difference?
Okay.
That's not convincing, isn't it? You see,
it is
so
not.
when you tell me, say,
it is not, but it's not in my place to banter with you. It's me, maybe some question.
That's what I say. It is what I say. I am obsolete, overstretched. About 95%. Who call Western North. Ni padudu Western North. I know. I've worked there. I know the people.
Statistics, ni figures, you know.
Exactly. I know the people. What I say? Now, almost to me, at about 95%.
Okay.
So this time round, say a co-presidential and parliamentary election there, machine overstretched. What can we want to say?
Okay.
So I don't think
overstretched though.
The system.
Software no na overstretched.
Exactly.
But machines no are obsolete. I heard that one say share time or motor machines, you know, any this time. Now no crow. Me na no na me bisa asem say even passport picture. Yes, say ukoye BBS yepe not long 3 months passport picture. And no peace news near ye adwuma wian. And a branch be comment or say on the voters ID card na kita no. Or the co bank credit so chem say ye me a munhwe say nanim anyini agya card no. Ye kan ye twa odin 2012 enfie nwotwini enti onyi ni say de omo ka no so ye mie ye ni gen na ye nhwe say ampa omo okesi say ebia ye nkura ye ni mu sese ye de toto ho a enye current papa.
You see,
enye stretched ampa.
I don't
enye dada ampa.
It's not so.
All right.
See that it's not so.
Okay.
You see, me there be ameka say easy should continue to administer what they want to do. Omo Bwagana. Share within budget omo deba parliament. 1.7 billion. Special budget committee.
I then so.
Make us so. But parliament, we were unable to give them that money. We gave them 1.2 billion. He's aware of finance committee.
But the facts of what stated, that's why it's a budget. The facts of what stating it does not mean necessarily.
So it is implying say there's no money.
Oh really?
Unable to give you the
money, but we won't give you because we think you don't need
electoral commission.
It's a budget.
Madam, electoral commission. I didn't budget about. Nya slash it. We a percentage of that. It means there's no money.
Okay.
And we are using about 400 million to compile this register. Wow. Within this rush form. I bring it material.
What the total University of Ghana survey no one so.
You see, my memory.
Yes, sir.
A research.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't want to doubt the credibility of that research. A educational institution, highly respected.
Okay.
If it is true that they went down to conduct this research, it's up to them. The first point I want to raise is that Aden and you release that
they
research.
did it in December 2019.
So why now? How many months now?
Just barely 2 months or barely a month.
I didn't try starting your demo. Look at anyone crowd a buy. Nipa a buy. Adekye, this statement is released. And research is a research. For your researcher, the whole Ghana, about 30 million people, and a year the population.
Okay.
Then you sample.
Okay.
What is the guarantee some come in West?
Oh.
And what he say? What's the guarantee some go asen ke go ha? Odu asen ke go ha no. What's the guarantee some go odumase? I'm doubting them. I've said I'm not doubting them.
But you're talking
I'm saying that. We are researcher. Was it? Oh, not that.
Because Omama breakdown, offer criteria no papers about and then they give various breakdown and to the regions Womo Ekoye. They gave regional breakdown, but they didn't give district breakdown.
It's about 27,000 people, isn't it?
Yes, 27,000
people. Ghana population is
so
it's a sample.
West is in the western region or western north?
Western region.
Western region, They went to western region and the respondents here 823. And out of that, 48.50% I can say they need a new register.
So about western region, you say I cover western north of you.
Okay.
Now we're around 5 million or so.
Okay.
Now, what is happening? So if only 800 people are saying, say, Omo pay the new register, isn't it? Omo pay na saying.
enu na eja sane kan say nya so amo say omo pe mo koye mo survey because you know it
so what I'm saying is
sample size ne so no budget ne so ye kese and enu kra ne authenticity ne so another issue.
Exactly. You have said
me fa obi a you
then make an say
sample
make an say Ghana for yes sir yeni yenim say Ghana for say omo pay new register
amumu nyina so we wa ma yen statistics nti na ye nua be ma asane ka say okay omo mama statistics ye kwa ha ye ni nipa 27,000 e ka say e no mu sise ti mu so amu ya amu se Ghana for say omo mpe no Ghana for be na mu say omo we he no
me ye Ghana ni nti msa me mpe
agreed
yes.
Okay
65
father me ye Ghana msa me mpe
nti unkwa percentage saying
oh but we have other people look at everybody by demonstration look at the lot of people came. That make what I say. Enti make I say.
Obia kasa nipa 27,000 ho. Eyo na kakra. Na wo de omo be no 10,000.
But because who say?
Wo de omo be no do 10,000.
10,000.
Yep, we.
Yes, they may.
Okay.
I was there.
I like the word may.
Yes. Because that's it. They make what I say.
Okay.
I was there.
You were there?
Yes, yesterday.
What is idea man be say was say. Sa sem na honorable Nilan Tevandapoy kan no. What do you make of it? Say easy ekoso ya and Ghana ni be register.
Oh.
Why should he say that?
Wakanas. Obi akanas on a premise ojina so.
To the winning.
What I say?
Okay.
On a premise ojina so cancer assembly.
Okay.
So unless you invite him to sit here and ask him that question.
I thought say na mo ye group until na me decide because basa say then
on the premise.
Okay.
You see, so that's it.
Thank you. Honorable Chamabuaji.
Obaya.
Mo so dia mo stand ne say ye dia fo yisi so. Den ti na mo so mo fo yisi so. Na mo ntie ebinom so asem say ye reach compromise kakra.
Obaya, Adekye Nsroma chama eti fo nyina na mo official pa. Ene mo nyina na mpanifo ehye ha nyina. Na ncheke se nkomo bantamfo. Obaya de na ba.
Bibi amai. Dia ba ne so
NDC
I plan for
you NDC for sometimes with all
and you this for a call demonstration. No. Let's do this correctly.
I plan inter-party resistance against
so honorable with all respect. Don't use it.
Omoya parties 13 as against MPP can other parties no omoya 8 those who are for.
Okay. So talk in general.
Sir, group number call demonstration.
Thank you.
But you see, if you're very honest, am I one? Omo penu, NDC ne suwum. And omo penu, NDC ne suwum. Enti enkuma na beshe shamasena. Moya wa muyodo.
Opposite the cry of 5% krempa. They should be recognized.
Oh dear me, but not watch abadi. Ejata no. Asema make me bua. Those political parties, excuse me, who come no be ko ba pa omo chew. Ani die kwaso. Nkete no I say kese no nyasi gina ye pe na say o mako shem sometimes am for cry say
you see we bet me describe us parties no as we local ntwomwa parties
omo ne ye be ku
oh there be a reality say election be draw and omo kanya omo ntwomwa so omo nom nipa ho moja and that is the modus operandi of the smaller parties because omo nim say definitely the bigger parties will grease their palms. And yes, our money bay or campaign. You campaign be as why. And no need Ghana in terms of our political dispensation. Because almost shall see now a beer NPP to me, Abu Boasa couldn't be say Momon declare support my and this year to me Abu Biano say Momon declare support my. The moment they declare that support no or be or what around in terms of any political animal be I confused. Most of the time no I am not Nkrofo na nkasa more party nketwa no omo agree say omo nkrofo be kwa declare my party A or party B but leadership has gonna have to declare because something is coming.
A party like PNC omo chairman ora mo na ye against or IPRAN no omo secretary Mohammed Atik and so say o call EC encheche mu dwumadi ase no na dwan asesante no oyefo so now PNC I say
omo a friend say omo pain you do Bahama omo so hwe baby on nam
at large
and as man go we mu na
he's an ambassador.
I know
ambassador with that office. Serious. So the bigger parties have a way of drawing the smaller parties and use them and dump them.
Obaya me last sa group na mo so mo penny register no ya twie mo coin the ban say the menu yake do do na ye NDC4 group na ye support say yisi nyana dwuma no ya twie mo tan ya do na ye MPP4.
Okay,
I just want to just make sure clear say you can name the
you need no crack kakra mayo.
very good and correct. Na me de nyam group NDC dominated say mo ko demonstration no me who say demonstration say be producer madwini mu no ehun hia but they fan say
ehun hia saying
madwini
mu they have their points.
Oh no,
can they have their say?
No me nka say omuntu me nka mu say but oba kan say oba kan dey open at the end of the day no you say at the end of boni no why obumra bi so ana na me pese oh but don't just say mo man nyina djuma uni atia no kan say ayi honorable we say enema ye doso ye ID card ye population na ni nyina yisi na obi aye na de emra da ho ye na chihye mra nyama no mandate ana wo ye na djuma omumra bia so say by the way oba da na be pese me chase say ade be papa na ko ga na ha say inu no mandate for apeda me say ka bi kire me afanchise ya edo ma be ko nanim ade oh so say
they have a stake e wa abatu onimu and omo reservations are
kabi amamu no de omu yi kire no demonstration yen ka say eni mramu enye nti ye putati omu so mo nanka wa ba mo nanka ma 40 kwa mu stay from tambale kuma say be kun nkra kabi kwa ko bi ewu ko bi eni abo saka edisifo ananka wa ba mu a enka bi ehu bi da they make can say ade be na edisifo apeda national ID card yempe ene omo na magire no mo register ye ko kan say sia ye kan ni register yempe
ye ko kan ti o masem ni ye eya ti o omo nka say omo mpe o eye nanso we ni yenhwe nka say omo pa na it say omo agba je omo pe but omo honorable omo pe nanso omo so won susuye adenti na omo susuye ne yenso yempe say ye be factor ni in na chinchin a che pe say omo fa bibia say de tie bia hirism
obaya ye didi nkomo
ewen
na wo sebesebi o pese yenye endizifo ni ekoba say ekoto yes and no nkomo ye didi yenye na ko wiase hu omo twa no yu omo yi apa be bia kotena enti national ID na make wasam no hwe wasam ha si bae
national ID omo kan ya ne say enye obia na owo passport
exactly
say enti
voters ID that's what we say
hold on na akonya wo ho and then ye has here to asuko ya and then national ID for authority mu yumajumai am for register na akonya wo make a compassion can make kotoku ma and come akwa kotin sama am for because my passport na nka bie kwa no nku bie ende enye ye enti no yakoye yes and no vote and this for sorry to ti ai abranso yes yem fa mamwo a emudo enkofom no bie nya bi am sorry ti ai enti dem make say ohwe NDC abakwasem ne nema wo ya dodo na nnam kwam yamra yisi die no so
enam
kwam madwini mu no
okay
in my opinion no I think say so they are expressing their demonstration omo ye enka say ebone ye bo mu ban munyenwie mu ya mu de besi ba yisi mu mura bia so enima bia ekọ se Ghana mura chinchima enima bia ekọ nya court mu ade mo twende ti munye demonstration mu wi a mo nko nko ha de ba ya na menu ya panyi ka sem bi honorable member wasi Ghana for adia ehia ba ko ameso bi fi se ehia nyina ya no kra wo kan ya manage ho no ye asumdue ne ye pro na wasi asumdue be ba be free register ni baya so baka ya 2016 election minim hwekura no ye Bantama constituency amaka is the most popular constituency in Ghana. Populous.
Okay.
No, popular. No.
Popular.
Yes.
Not populous.
No,
popular.
But now they call mampong. It's independent. Yes.
Honorable, the person was speaking.
Some Florida, some make
popular no in Ghana. They say other constituency in popular. They be say
objection overruled.
Bantama constituency 2016 election. Na ano shit. When you register almost 89% in our history, the highest percentage in our history. The make a question say, no, no, no. Many election that form. No position MPP yatra opposition for 8 years about to me. It ye hu ya adwuma ko wi ase no. Ko wi ase no kan. Yi sia no ho sambre no. Obeka kire say election no turnout no was low. Turnout no was 69%. Obaya election ye heavily contested. Anibra bam opposition ba to me mu. Na isi begina bontene say oh turnout is low 69%. I say just as a Ghana ibu mo ha. Ni patati wa meto aba no. Omuwe fa. Election ni anibra ba pa wo bantu my constituency ya je di nyina no nya no. That was the first time I recorded.
Now were you expecting 100% turnout?
I was expecting 90%.
Why?
Ghana election no
Why? I was expecting.
What really history of elections
the
in Ghana?
highest we have gotten. Saying 67 or 70.
I'm talking about the win.
The win.
The win. We're expecting 90%. Omo bia baba tu dudu bia no. Ya pebe almost say utonko ade a over 90% of my. The make question say yes busa sa question say turnout was low no. I think it was a good turnout. 69%. Me question me busa and say 31% no oma fa he. Yam fancy sebe ebi ewu. Yam fancy sebe bi tutu kwai. Adan na bia na bi yare want me ambeto. Yam fancy sa de we adawi. Obaya se se pasum dwie. Na se yankrani ade wem kakra. Ni jato ha. Me obi of first semi asese bia no. Ope akwanya awiem.
Na cleaning no ne say your best son no. Biometric anti cleaning no ye was system I first so ye cleaning. Yes. And then biometric we kwa first so will be a few ma corner report. Go and do the process or and you pen be me atumi atumi.
Obaya me nya adwuma o yisi. Ba yisi nkasa ye mu no. Omo say akwaya first so yini pa free mu say report we wu obi ko fa yimra na nkoso enya effective. Entumi nyi enipa na sebe upload you know register no enfree.
And your basa and so almost every 8 years we buy biometric register for. But I dare say biometric. And here say you be cost assessment data no.
Say if it is the wisdom of yeast operating within its mandate. Science sa. Ojinamra so wanya no kwa.
Na the onunkwa no te biometric.
Obi nkasa na wana kasa.
Onunkwa no di bi adwuma
ya se. Wana kasa onunkwa na te ase. The enemy you can I say machine can be young can update. I respect the opinion, but except me disagree.
Okay.
Hey, idea make me out of floor. Even if it's one city more, and a new one, and we are correct. What's the mean? Concover spare parts every day. Never quite day.
And old ones obey.
They make a say. Only quite day. It's the end of life. Men come to me.
My pouch of power.
I am come up with
yes. When Jin this say to buy totally everything and come over to me at easy bet me at transfer can say you share machines no ya na you test you know you to me who say a beer out of 500 250 a year out of that you better 250 near maintain the other something of that so could have been done to save the country of sky
better easy for and some kind
my ready or more challenges
won't you know okay maybe me feel say we need a complete system. My system what you matter. Me can tell say I have masters in management information system. I know what it means. Procurement of issues. And I'm also begin can say, hey, now here time you the best idea here. Share. More NDC for 2 days until Airbus. Procurement. 2 days. According to Honorable Chairman.
Two different scenarios.
Oh, maybe
Airbus is different from registry.
Oh, I am telling you.
What the Airbus issue behind? I have a lot of people talk about
procurement. You mentioned procurement, sir. In your wisdom.
What you say?
But
so that Airbus issue, I don't want you to bring it. You see, let's talk about register, please.
Procurement,
processes are
No.
The word is procurement. What's the caneno? Yes, 2012 no. Yeah, by year, new register no. Then modicate away. That was then.
No, my prepared.
That was then.
Was prepared.
Hold on.
In 2011.
That was then. When my juma easy, I could do.
I don't know one kind.
Procurement no.
I don't know juma na yes.
Say obaya akoba critical cry. So be to me the 2 days. Eto Airbus. Yes, so be to me the 2 months to be. That's the point I'm trying to make. And the man there are all procurement in easy. It is not our business. What about timetable? BBS so
a honum na a problem no. It is our business in every sense because a abana ye kwakoto. stakes ewom amount for interest ewom the little thing ebe to me the ebufuo any bibi a yempe aba
obaya
ebas ye to my for to my military for any nka won na enye business because a security issue so we say enti we need there it is our business 100%.
And don't know be a candy na dwene ye no no obi asigina obi aka na dwene yisin so obeye de mrama no kwase wonye umu mra so na de make na say asumdue bo yentimi fasika ntos medwo yisi say me ana mo de ahya mesem say yakopon ya adoma ya to aba wi bibia me system bia korata me meka de waye dai wan wani ana wa lusu enkyere mo me hia de we sei e de aboa me o mampanya kufu ado da roma budget process no ma go through o manya sika obetimi de aye e de benti na atwetwa mene uso ye nai
adentin so na wa kasa asumdwe bu eden yentie other stakeholders no say asumdwe bu eden enti so bi o consensus yentie na nkofa chemato bi ama
baya tamale ena demonstration shasio ebedu kumasi ababedu nkran mse akosi
eyo wo say akosi
madwene no
o maka cho say
me say I am say
okay
akosi senkosi ya demonstration na see etie omkasa etie enti ekasi enti enu an ndisi for there na yedi agro
etie ye mu de he na yafa
de yafa no say o manga na fododo ni nyina almost 65% according to University of Ghana researcher Aba sa Ghana for say ope isi mu naso edi enti na yakose sabuku amamo wada ho fan ya ebidwane yi
okay
edi enti na obi su oba ya opese o tell me say sebe constituency bi ho ana polling station bi ho na ye dominated by MPP for na awufuo agum be 100 gum ye na egira ho nyina ya yi o friend say MPP na NDC for ye be gina ha na kokwa
okay
NDC for nyama oba wiam
nto bende
MPP for nyama oba wiam
biometric oba wiam
oh Jamaica some
biometric oba wiam
biometric
me ba me biometric oba wiam
ene biometric no ba ya
anye de ya chocho ya bobo register say esi kwa me menso
biometric no ba ya
let's do the correction
ya verify the one check
put on service machine over verify
manual verify one chain
manual verification no obaya
no because you say biometric and you can say verify be one chain and why not verify one
obaya and obiba
that is modern age
to was yeminu modern age no
say ya de nsa kogu so na odikogu okay odi enya no ba to ba akua ni
yes
ya de nsa okoye no udin de say me de akua konama na akua boatema okay o card way ya hwe faunsa gu so akua boatema din be yaba but esan say enye ya nensa anu neguo ninti wodi opa ofa card kura nko gina ho emfa verify
ba why are they those are the
anasa ho no utu mi enda wi ana beso ka Ghana for say ho no wi ma na 260 mo wi
o de mani nya no ma
yem fa ni say baby o ho a odinsa kuguso bibi ama
okay
your alternative verification multimedia ye
aye they say
which is
obe koncha me hwehwe ID card ahwe won side ya
omo be hwehwe e bia na di no mo but omo a finally me feel say anything I can no verification no vote ni say finally no it has to be put on the machine
oba ja nko
and at 2016 na fe no verification no vote
because baby o ha on say good say ma ye hwe o picture na hwe ID card be correct e ma auto
all right
no aya kwanya before obi nko bokro no entisie yi ni ma free book ma mo da hold that obi biara obe sorry tinie obi biara obe sorry the na me person me can say sabi with all due respect and if we are mo dwen say obi nko na timi wi election mo
it's why I say 2016 we are more banter
obaya ti dey
after that
you see am on clarify no me person be o de mani tell me na also no no okay o ka say bi o say and if for no mo fuso mo kwa no mutumi wi
so it is so much very up
what you so mo wi election one apart from mo no why be me to wi election
obaya nya to say mami any argument now tia see
okay my friend
so ko create opportunity so be makro no a anase se wo emfa se wo panyin na wo adwuma mu na wo gija sika tuturo fo no be wi sika kwa bi so na abo ayo ye MPP for a position ni say yem pese obi abewiem yem pese obi abayi yem ko kiri ni ade nim because say wo ghost names guma ya kwanya mo obi so obetumi wiem.
But that goes name yaka said there is a system of cleaning.
And the EC is telling you oba ya de ajami o de jama ne de aso
okay
waka cho say me hia ade we say ya nema na betumi ya me clean na kire na yakoto ba ne wi a asem bia ya dai ama.
Thank you.
What is the issue?
Mami, Ajata no quick one.
Idea na kire say you told new machines into me.
Na dey so na say you register and this for very.
Into why don't
we dey register back?
Madam,
normal count your very one.
And demonstration one thing was
are you telling me
say
one
at a time?
Demonstration what
problem?
Demonstration.
In some way be near say who to me wiem and I say you can do verification.
Just don't create that opportunity for anybody.
The opportunity will always be created. We have witnessed it.
Okay.
And there are ample evidence say most of the time will be ordinance guswa emma, right? So now you are telling us say both parties, that is NPP and DC, they are the largest parties in this country. And say about to be real now easy one who say the laws were made for nipa law na
no, but the question is that
they all cannot say yeah o man mu no ye fi say bibi to chima na say ya nhwe ye na ye ni isi na ntrase na ya njojo and making sure that the right thing will be put in place na say isi ye 2020 no so make oto foforo at the end of the day
Anata no so dia wo kai ye na ye ti o man mu no ene so
64%
Forget about research.
Some particular research.
Forget about research.
Don't doubt it. I'm not doubting it.
Don't doubt it. I'm not doing what?
Yes, I'm not doubting it. But wait. I insisted. I mentioned earlier on said.
Okay.
Omudini so. Into one year, some microphone back out with a research. No, we be to say it is final. Okay. It may not be final.
But at least
last one.
That is what we have.
Yes, sir.
That is what we have.
You are making a lot of cases good, but say easy.
Adina musuro.
Meba,
Adina musuro.
Say easy. Compile register ni.
Adina musuro.
Emfa say
July
we we.
Yeah, MPP for you say we are.
Meba. Hey, July we.
Masa musuro bibi
Are you telling me say
musuro?
Nipa move from July up to December.
But when my dear friend materiality.
What I say?
The number of people.
So if you want to clean
the
number
of people will not be 31%. Will not be 31%.
You see?
So 1% can be down.
No.
A kwana mu chobu mu. You be clean.
You know.
Easy onko clean.
I transfer na omo ye demo. But unim say wo other CSOs are omo so omo nye demo there, but they have the stance of IPRAN for.
Okay.
Omo to abani bi. Omo ni wiamu bia wo. Nti omo so e.
Omo nyanso Ghana for. And it say easy no. Onja na dwuma ento ho adwuma mra hyehyɛ ma no ɛwɔ mra mu the act I critique no ama no mandate ama no functions ade a wɔyɛ a ɔmu mra so onya nto ho no nkasa wo se na obi ni ayo
Emrano
Ghana for me dia refonso kana fe yanka galam say no 5 minutes.
You don't have to change it, go to parliament.
Akwasi obey we just so besias your say the vendor of the current machines has written to EC that the machines are obsolete and end of time. They can crash at any time. Should we wait till the machines crash? Who would be blamed if the machines crash? No political party can stop EC performing its constitutional mandate. Wolanyo Inakwetia, vigilante groups disband has reached this trend that the NDC is refusing to collaborate. Go back and listen to the victory speech delivered by Elder Ofosu Ampofo when he was elected the national chairman of the NDC on plans to establish ballot protection unit for the purposes of the 2020 elections. Honorable Williams Sam Adams says, Massa, if you have Samsung phone and the screen touches crack and he can't work again, go and ask the price. You can buy a new Samsung phone if you compare touch price.
That's correct.
You have made a point there too. Sometimes who could be standing born a pal?
It depends on the information. It depends on the information you have on the phone. Yes, you
exactly.
Okay.
Depends on the information you have.
Vivian says, ask the NDC man whether their demo contains all the people from the regions. What is the percentage of their demo souls to Ghana population? What's pacho statistics and Busanana Vivian didn't other form abano. Musa Bato see yesterday the massive demonstration in Accra clearly tells you that the majority of Ghanaians are against the compilation of new voters register. The earlier Jean Mensah and Bosman Sari listened to the voice of God, the better for them. They say when your mother is dead and you pretend she has gone to the market, when others are welcoming their mothers from the market, you will welcome your own shadow. Danso Samuel says, please, procurement has already been done in 2019. Secondly, the issue of peaceful election from NDC is, sorry to say, baseless, and the other one, AIA. NDC is telling us that if new voter register is compiled, Ghana will break. Are they only Ghanaians, or they are Ghanaians than the rest? Ohima Penna Albi says, talking of the new register, they should pay NAPCO trainees their January stipend and clear all arrears. Okay, Brian Jagos and Sons and Sister, I see the demonstrators can go to right, men kasa, they can't go there. Yenye was assistant in patrol and kasa. Asante Becky, oh, I don't want to read. Ube to me akaba me de menkai. Asante Becky says, good morning, yeah. I want to ask that those who were at the demo yesterday, didn't they have any good work to do? The government is trying to make ends meet in planting for food and jobs, and people waste time and resources in demonstration. Well, that is what they want to use their time for.
But let me person me Obaka 2000 election.
I hope someone sign Kokasa Assembly.
I mean 2013 election.
Okay.
I say I called court for almost 8 months in those things. To be honest with you, I affected a lot of businesses and all those things.
Okay.
And then my slow. Into yanya kwanya. Let's say easy that you within the law. I think say na.
Uni said one tier or more so bet to me and Cassani and she ever court that chimbi anafi ababe back to square one.
Oh, by the question is over court now you win saw there. Say the man every day.
Now the moment when so and it affected businesses.
Ghana
can't you avoid that?
Ghana yenti. Avoid us any better new register.
Okay, honorable Eric Afo, Pacho Ufi Western region. It's Meka Galamsey Wansem Kakra. Professor Philpon, what's the answer more for Fabaye? Excavators are Ira.
Asama me beke.
Yeah.
Mera ho kakra.
Galamsey.
Don't act it. Don't act it.
Wo. Eya reho.
Ade.
Say aban Abba. But the way MPP Aban and manage Galamsey issues in this country, meaning Abba, you're wrong.
How?
When him say, Binoka say, Galamsey, say, when MPP near Nyabine, when MPP near Winyabi Galamsey.
But Galamsey Koso?
Yes!
Oh, how?
Na
Operation Vanguard that yes stop
it because I'm me educating Ghanaians and so we can educate ourselves. Me I'm a viewers. If you was a region. And what is going on? Unya pipi ni unya Galamsey nya.
Unim say na me wan kakra.
Meba. Meanwhile no. Aban ne say or stop Galamsey.
Yeah.
Illegal mining. Let me put it this way. When Sika Aban 2019, we tried the Galam stop, and no percent Vanguard. Mudiye 30 million Ghana cedis.
Omudiye, Juma, no Mudiye. Say,
Omode Bomb, Omubra.
Thank you.
Let me put that way in the budget, 2019 budget. And that money was released. 30 million Ghana cedis. When schools a bit messy, Ghana. Meanwhile, we've come back to square zero.
No one.
Square zero.
And no one. And not square one.
Zero. Square zero.
I mean, you said square one.
What is the answer?
Square 1 is zero. That's it. It's infinity.
Nothing has been achieved.
Yes. It's infinity.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Because Mame, and Yati, Ebra started the fight against Galamsey. So we may have gotten somewhere.
It is a no credit. That 500, what do you call it? Excavators. I'm quite chief. Say 3 years ni. Ye Galamsey free. 500. I'm quite free.
A time now, yes, stopping.
From that time up to this time. Won't you have? And now, yeah, just ended, what do you call it? The this level election. Our voices be by Amenfi East youth organizer or say the reason omu lose so much in Amenfi East ne say ye chiw excavator na say unya 50,000 omo fa ma 50,000 500 million Ghana cedis.
And na omo fight enti omo the seas excavators
aban establish a unit all boss ade no ho ban. Now said this menace is going on to extent say miniaba excavators na yes season e mu 500 ayera why excavator a two
so the arrest
excavator
of
or a plane
6 persons and a beboya mayehu
excavators a plane a man muso akwa other countries e mu ye do cross articulator excavator a mu do articulator why and sit in the country talk about corruption. We sit in the country now we want to talk about Airbus issue. What are you talking about?
Yeah, if
the Americans say the way you manage Galamsey activities in this country, you should have another way of regulating that unit. One time, I sat down and I said, no. Yeah, if you're quite fast, a bit more regulating me. So the beef in crime, say, Uncle regulate, Uncle stop Galamsey, Ewa Memphis East, Pisia Huni Valley, Takwa in Swahim. Then you unimo. Why don't you give the charge to the people? The security agencies within the area.
It's not Galam stop. Galam stop for no. Omo locality.
Exactly.
And a vanguard for no yet national for no. Ain't you omo fan for locality name? No more do more fight.
So who call Nasa Adibi say ya? You look at those over there. You look for them. Did the Americans say, sir, 500 excavators. We have to see it ourselves.
Thank you.
I say you baby asa
Ejatano. You see battle na.
I think so. I'll be the last person I must support to the fact say yen say nature and I say yen say insuo. Yen na yen hu insuo pra na de keka ka ho na insuo ta no na side bi mo. Ne said de Galamsey asse no. Na say de emra agukwam na nka ye stream na I don't know na nka me fi say eno ano no. Na yen twe yambo nkomponko yachi na yanka de yewura na Akufo Addo so ode betu dwa ansa na oba beye omampanyi
Okay.
Say party fo bi mu adwen say oba no be Galamsey na nya ade a oba be Galamsey but ohwa oba the period and I said speed o mo de stop Galamsey not the law period and I said sa period na a chair sa they were sitting at home ko foko bobusia wo banks excavators no pina amanfo rent ebi ye twaja etumu which was senseless, forgive my language, but nanke ni kwan say yakochi obi se oye Galamsey excavator ese aban wode ne nsa so ni hu de be no ye twa ejatum eno mu nyina abesina twamo.
They stopped and now yen shini and nankrofo wi. It sometimes to dream one and anyway.
I know they say we can better chance of beshino because the way we are no yeda ye bechino na ye trace
baby. But we are outside there go back to the bush.
You better me trace here na wa hye no there wa hye no. Wa bo nipa ne ka.
Okay.
Sa vanguard aye to omugu enwurem. Akwa to say a friend say Nigeria for say amanone for mebo omo na omo hwehwe Boko Haram. Ya na ye te forest mu. Ewo memfa say Nigeria omo no nim baabi a areas ya Boko Haram for na ukofro obi fiama no so ma ebe ye den wotumi akonkono amana kosi awie wo mrekora wo na wote nkrofo no wo na wonim nkrofo a omo ye sa adwuma no yanka say
vanguard for no say no mo nya adwuma in isolation no.
Well, no in effect no the year hu kire say they have failed woefully because at the time when you say release say yen konkoye Galamsey no yen san mo nkomponko hwe nsuo no mu a na yes no conditions not senses here. We are going back to, as Honorable says, square zero. It means that we are achieving nothing. You understand? There is square one. Yeah. But when you say square zero, it means it is serious.
It is serious. It is infinite.
Yes. Into your patch, let's say, a corner, a ponko do baby, who say, yen to me. The task, as Honorable said, should be given to the local people, not the local security agencies. No, among time or much. Now you're making sure so the
laws. Then you are not aware of Galam stop. I
am aware, but are they
local for?
Yes, but are they effective? Are people being punished for the crimes that they have committed? Because we have read.
Yes.
We have read and we have seen videos of Nkrofo security for alcohol bribes.
Exactly.
You understand? Nti I see a man you form. Now you monitoring and
be fan be on koye bofo. Nti say ya chi say o je bribe. Ya fan ko gina mra no anim say why je bribe because you emra on bribe. Then the rest carry on the job.
Emra no ene omodi. Emra no rather no ene Nkrofo no a omo ko ye fan say omo ko tu omo bibi ketewa no. Anase omo licenses no. MSC amra yero mo kete amontumi enkobim nkrofo ya hye
small scale for
yes small scale for na ya
omo dey say omo hye omo activity we register omo e do omo for proper process mu for identification and then some that so challenge
the percentage of nkrofo and omo licenses see omo licenses they are back into the system. The thing has tilted to a certain direction. Maybe in this what they would have also done the same thing, but clearly speaking nkrophobia na they had no idea about Galamsey. See, they have been given the license to operate our mokoso.
Omo license here, nya Galamsey small scale.
You see, but what Nkrofo omuni ho dada. Nkrofo mo experience no mo ho mo yadwuma na. Anka ka me nko amom regularize omo no omo nye omo adwuma ne ye. Chance wo abenti wo padwuma ma wo Nkrofo no akosesa.
Thank you.
But machines no ye season.
Excavators.
Yes, excavators no. I feel said there should have been a monitoring and evaluation. I bet check it consistently. Because who share your friend is
we can't just say that.
Who share is true.
Who share minister and state.
They had a unit no more regulate. You see,
honorable, see, I do young Obia, Oko assemblies, it's your gas and no home to it.
You see,
what to be?
It's your way.
I'm
asking you, 500 away.
And we are all asking Professor
Honorable from Pombat in the statement. Or Patcher said they gave a contract to EWC to cut the excavators to various points. Okay. They said
defensive mechanism.
Yes, because
Chief, it is a defensive mechanism.
Okay,
did they give him the mandate to take care of it, to control it? Because they said they gave him the contract to cut it to certain areas. Baby. Only the same person who was training in Aswana.
Okay.
So the same investigation course. Until we shouldn't preempt it.
Wouldn't sir. Or
your question say, okay.
Wouldn't say investigation.
Dear Ejata no can say. Honorable Eja Wusia, ya the man is on free a baby or mobile on family baby no. Or no one soon know the begua or sheso, and also the goo we are na jumesi, and your wine and sheso. So all these questions.
Investigation didn't have a back.
We are giving them clues.
No problem.
Oh yes,
which is good. That say if it's a question, I respect it. But say making conclusions, we are taking position. I got some information in there. Obaya na ada na mekoko ebasa semana abranti na the wolf.
What you offer ebasa ya?
Because Ghana must be.
Listen, Mona press conference.
Hold on.
Okay. And friendly memo.
Mona press conference. But start personalize and crofua omudi war report.
Yes, it was a
meanwhile investigation so
a rhetorical question to the main no. Honorable
Obaya adie yapa Ghana politics say would be adwuma show me say be fie ngotwe no wantimi anya ho hwe Galamsey dey na ndisi ye fa koto na pala mapanya kufodo ne nyansem na dwene mu Ghana for 2 years the sharensa o say ade we e ha adwene e be hansu ye nyina e ha ye ne ma bebrebe enti no me ba ye ma dwene say metu ho na mo de na yam ya ne say sometimes no ya na nipa fi say abrabo e just a smooth road. But it is good, sir. Oh, ye baby. What but papa? Why she ye? No challenges. Eba, you see it's an opportunity for improvement. And to MPP before we are not saying, sir, Galamsey, you man am to know. We are not ashamed of how they are you. No challenges are bound. And my opportunity, sir, you shall see and be a baby one any year. Near shall see any son of a person, ye canon.
because challenges ni overwhelming na what your point na say omo ayede adwuma na hye omo sa and omo fa eche na omo je bribe na nkrofo ye checks wo omo say omo integrity to say ansan ye de adwuma ni mo mo ana
opportunity for improvement so omo ya ka aban enemremu aban ya wo so MPP aban amampanya Kufuado na da no but ye kofom pass ye chechire ma me ne wona ya aban mampanya Kufuado na
enu ye book mu aban na so reality aban
de make say Ghana fo menu mienu say ya bratin ye corner na di bibi hie nsa ne be ye ni ya ye ko twa ya ho sebe producer ama blemu aban bia woto susanse wo ye odi ye mesimi jam di ye ne mampanya Kufuado apai to me bi kakra de mawo yate eyi a friend say group some kohwe so na koduru ho no wura fiso ya Ghana ni na wudi no fucha na se ade akohwe so no sebe mampanya Kufuado na nu ye to say systems enunti na sa we ko baaye no e say 500 eyi excavators ayira minister tra okake hasie okay kan eyi na we a panifo se na de hye omusa munchi omu police mhwehwem ne hu die si ye a opportunity abema ye akina bi ye bibia ye betu ho na mo ye enti ye nka say we are not afraid say ye ade bi na challenges ba ho a ye dwane akoyachi o in fact to be honest with you know challenges are opportunities for improvement enti dey na moto ye kan wo wanya ho hwe ye do ba ma ho fie ngotwe won timi anyem no
wanya ho hwe inu safu say ni tata ma no ministry of
NDC
oh na papa nya jima ya na miye
wonim excavators
wo betra Ghana
excavators ya
wo betra Ghana amamoso efie ngotwe
mache
oh nyanto base efie ngotwe
excavators 500
I find galamsey
500
anyem no
masa
amampanya Kufuado babata
it's a shame
for say
wa mama amusa o masa
because
me kai say honorable Yunus say you know what lands natural resources or started galamsey fight
yeah NDC for bibiem started o munya kokodu adi wi ade
no mu wie Ghana for am wie
hu bo aho ade say
na galamsey fight no do we ever finish e ko ayekun kasa na ye wie
oba uti da be ye nwie say egu so it say 4 more years for na tinio 4 more years for na to do more oba de can say NDC for so hu ade bi kura eh me dem say ka hwa na election ti menye nwa twe no ho
oh yeah sure
hey oba
na den na jo mama can say onti allowance ne say even if it will cost me seats
ko wi ase dem dey see here the vice president ko bon fan the currency we just tackle the western region that time no say mo meje alawa eno mo jenu ko titian bam
and me da wase bam na me da wura no mo akaka so ase
bam no mo ba kika nsem no ba
pa o meet ya sa n9 enti anope ye da wase pa se mo baaye na owura ya asanita no ono otimi sabenkum so pe wo ye political activist de otitwa eja asanita no honorable Daniel Ochem Aboaje wo ye MP Emma Bantima wo se wo kona esa ma wo kobie mu na afi wo nyi na wo siti na ba nanim enti Bantima for mo sama no nkona ni siti na mra nanim na che mo popularity na nkosoro na afi honorable Eric Afo MP Amenfi West ono so ka de honorable Ochem Aboaje ka na bi se ai no kre onu say okoba election okotena akire ofiri ho ba ni mutesi aba middle ntesi ano pese oba front row onu ka do say enche no abe leader majority leader na minority leader enche ra no ma no pay da mo ase pa se mo baaye e ma ye ni mo edi enkomo kama mo me anya ne kaje bi no ochena ne ato aso enne ye nua be ma bongo difara David Oforisa for cake kakra obeto ne papa ye obeto ama brothers inti or the birthday na ate but yat me ye frikula ni mu aba eti bongo di fara baby a obia ye ma happy birthday wonyame enhira onye okese oma vem no nkosoro na yire ho na power sa why enti ye se nkwatenten de ma na menua be ma Theophilus Superintendent Theophilus Esofi oye police pani a owo kolebo ene nra ye wa wodanti de me fro ye Kotio abai me ma happy birthday belated one onyame ensha and a happy birthday to you beautiful little Kezia Kwating. You are 4 years today and you attend Villac International School at Chimota. Be great and be a woman of substance. Wisdom and intelligence should be your portion. Nyame ensha Kezia Kwating. I was for yakuna menu yapon. nyame ma yo china